Let me explain to you right from the chronological order. Normally the court assembles around 10:30. Today is a little later, around 10:35, 10:36, around 10:38 they came. So as soon as the three judges came into the court, normally what happens is lawyers, young lawyers come before the bench and say that certain urgent cases will have to be taken up. This is called mentioning in the Supreme Court parlance. They wanted an early hearing. So today the Chief Justice, his anger was quite evident. He said, no mentioning today, let's start with the case. He said, don't mention anything, you leave us for hearing the case. So immediately the item number 1, which is Alok Verma's case, it started. So once it started, immediately Chief Justice Ranjan Gogoi gave, because we were standing at the back, it was completely crowded, he gave some papers or something like that to Fali. Chief Justice told Fali, Mr. Fali, we are not treating you as Alok Verma's counsel, but being a respected member, just see this and please help us. What's your response? Then after that, there was a complete silence. Fali Nariman probably went through the papers and he said that the press will have to be, not only will have to be free, but will have to be responsible. And he said if the court wants, the person can be summoned maybe in chambers. That's what. So we didn't know what sort of report at the time. Then immediately Chief Justice said no one deserves a hearing. We don't want to record reasons. He said simply adjourning case to 29, because he said that all the three judges are sitting in combination only on 29. So we adjourned the case to 29. So after that there was a complete chaos and confusion. What is it about? And even Fali told the court saying that he hasn't authorized the advocate, Mr. Gopal Shankar Narayanan, to seek time. If you go back yesterday Gopal Shankar Narayanan told the Chief Justice Court saying that the reply which was to be filed by Alok Verma can't be filed by 1 p.m. He wanted time till 4, but Chief Justice said up to 3 p.m. you can file the reply. So this was referred by Fali saying that he was not even aware, it's completely not, it's not in the right thing, and he hasn't authorized anyone to seek time. So that also went on. Then after that, when everyone came out, AG was completely mobbed, and AG said it's wire report. So immediately this wire report also immediately WhatsApp to almost everyone. So the wire report dated 17th says that Mr. Alok Verma's reply to CVC. So there was a confusion. Is it the CVC's, the report mentions whether the Alok Verma's reply to Supreme Court or CVC, but the report talks about Alok Verma's reply to CVC. We have been told that even Wire has given a clarification saying that what it has published is pertains to only Mr. Alok Verma's reply to the CVC, not to the Supreme Court. So right now, Mr. Fali Nariman told the Chief Justice bench saying that he want to mention something at the end of the board, basically around 1 p.m. or maybe around 3:55 or so. So we'll have to wait and watch what happens there. But it seems there seems to be some leak. That's what the Chief Justice idea. So we will have to wait and see what happens. It is completely anti-climax. No one thought something will happen like this. Even every media said, and everyone, we also thought probably today will be a final day, the fate will be decided, but it's a completely, so in Supreme Court it's better not to speculate anything.